Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have my Eyescream Beauty Box. So I'm excited to share this. I actually sneaked a peek and it's a good one, okay, I think. So, but I'll leave that up to you to decide too at the end. But anyway, let's just get to it. All right. Okay friends, thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. If you want to support my channel, you can hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment. I appreciate all those things so much. And so we're into the box here, and I'm just going to, I don't like, they have all these foamy things in here. It kind of makes me crazy. I don't know why, but so I'm going to pull everything out real quick. Okay, so this is January. It says, so it begins. Starting a new year. So I'm going to tell you what the products are and what they're valued at. And should we do I always do the palette last, but I could probably do it first this time to be different. So this is the Just Desserts or Vampy Treat palette by Ladybug Glow, and this is, the palette is valued at, let's see, $39. So here it is, and I got the Vampy Treat one, so I'm not sure what the differences are in the palettes. This looks like it has purple and green and kind of yellows on the outside, and actually that's kind of what it is. It's kind of vampy. It's got some dark, it's got some fun shimmers, but I don't know if it's a palette I'd go to. That's what happens with these. Now I love this Nightfall color, but with some of these palettes, I get so many palettes, and I don't always love the palettes I get from Eyescream Beauty, and I actually kind of canceled my, I'm going to be really sad though, because I really have fun opening these boxes, and they come so, all the things are so cute packaged and stuff. So I don't know, but I just don't, I have no use for so much makeup, and so I may end up having to get rid of this, but not sure when the subscription ends. But anyway, so there's that. That's the first thing. The next thing I have in here is from Charmacy. Really excited about this. This is, let's see, I'm trying to find where it is, what it says about it. Okay, it's from Charmacy Global. This is valued at $20. It's a multi-chrome, valued at $25. And it's just a small multi-chrome. Oh, I see green. I see pink. I see, it's really, really fun. Now, I saw a lot of green earlier, but it's mostly pink here. Let's see what we got on our skin. I wiped my skin off from the last video. Okay. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Okay. It's funny because it looks totally green to me, and then when I put it in the camera, it's pink. So it's okay. So there it is. You can get the green for a minute, kind of, but it's very pink. I love it. I love this. This is like so fun. So I will definitely have fun using that. The next thing I have now, last month we got something similar. We got this is from Ice Cube. It's Creme de la Cube. This right here is a lip cream. We got an eye cream. It was in a little bigger box, but in our last month by the same brand, and they call this Creme de la Cube. So their stuff must be packaged like in cubes. So there it is. It's really cute. It's really a cute bottle. And then this has just like this. It's It's just a lip balm right there. Yeah. Stick my finger in it. It's just real smooth. I used the finger that had the little bit of color on it. But anyway, so that's my third item. So we got the palette, the lip cream, and this fun eye duochrome. Then the next thing I have in here is, it looks like it's a Halo Glow. I'm not sure if this is, let me see, is this a Halo Glow? This is a face stick. It's valued at $32, or is it 12? Sorry, it is 12. Thought 32 was a lot. Okay, this is a holographic highlight stick. Let's see. I'm really curious what this is about, but I have to open it, so doesn't look too easy to open. Okay, just this, and it's just like a white stick. But let's see, I'm going to put it on this hand right here. I don't know if you can really see it here. It does kind of look like it has a little bit of a change to it. Anyway, looks fun. So anyway, that would be fun. I think it can be used anywhere on the face. So anyway, I think I'll use that too. So, and the last thing I have in here is going to be our lip product. And that is it's from Sugar Daddy Lipstick by Medusa's Makeup. It's valued at $14. So let's see what we got here. It's just a square bottle, and it looks like a very neutral color. I like it. I would do that color, would go with a lot of things I wear. It's very nude, just a very nude color. So anyway, not bad. So we got the lipstick, the highlight face stick. We've got the lip balm, the cute cube, the eyeshadow palette, and the holographic eye product. So anyway, that's our 5 products. I'm not complaining. I think that was kind of a fun box. So anyway, that's it. I'm not sure if I'm getting the bags. Like I said, I unsubscribed, but I wasn't sure if the subscription was going to stop in January, if I hit it soon enough or what. So I haven't gotten the bag yet, so I'm not sure if I'll get it, but when I do, I will share it. And that is it for today. Let me know what you think. Do you guys like Eyescream Beauty? If you really want to try some fun makeup, new makeup, kind of indie brand type makeup, Eyescream Beauty is awesome and excellent for it. You do definitely get your value for your, for what you pay for the box. So I think I really like the Eyescream Beauty box, but if you're someone like me who already gets so much makeup, and I'm kind of becoming a little bit of a brand snob, so I don't know if that's good or bad, but I just have brands I really love and just kind of want to stick with for a while. So anyway, that's my reasoning for maybe getting rid of this. But anyway, thank you for being here. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.